All right, last problem in the series for MINM is this problem. Find all real values C such that C times 1 minus I1 is unitary. So remember definition of the unitary, and you'll need the definition of complex conjugate. So go ahead and pause and come back and we'll do the problem together. Okay, so let's call this matrix A. And A is unitary means that, not unity, unitary. A is unitary. That's the same thing as saying that A conjugate transpose times A is equal to the identity. Right? Now what is A conjugate? Since C is real, C conjugate is C, so A conjugate is equal to C times, well, here's 1 here. Conjugate of 1 minus I is 1 plus I. Conjugate of I is minus I. Conjugate of 1 is 1. All right? So A conjugate transpose is just going to be the transpose of this. And so that's going to be, the C stays the same, the diagonal elements stay the same, and the off-diagonal elements switch. So that becomes 1 plus I times 1 minus I times minus I. Right? So let's go ahead and form A conjugate transpose, or we call A star, times the matrix A. So let's go down and do that. Okay. So we've got A star A. That's going to be equal to, well, A star is this one here, C times 1 minus I, 1 plus I, and 1. And A was C times, what was it? 1 plus I, minus I, and 1 like that. All right, so when we multiply this out, we're going to get equals C. Well, remember that the C's can be taken out front, so that becomes a C squared. And then this first entry is going to be, here we have 1 minus I here, and I guess that's a minus I down there. Better be clear about that. So here you have 1 times minus I times minus I. What's minus I times minus I? Well, I times I is minus 1. And then we have two negatives which cancel. So that whole result is minus 1. So here we have 1 minus 1 or 0. Okay. Then this next result, we have 1 plus I minus I, which gives me 1. This next result gives me 1 plus I minus I, which gives me 1. And this last result, 1 plus I squared minus 1. Now you can do 1 plus I squared using FOIL. That's going to be, I think it's going to be 2. You can check this. I believe it's 2 plus 2I. Okay. Now, the point is that this product has to be the identity. Now, there's no way to choose C to make this the identity, because whatever C is, this value is going to be 0. And if C is non-zero, then these off-diagonal elements are going to be non-zero. So there's no way, no choice of C that gives A star A is equal to the identity. So there's no solution. So no solution for C. Okay, that's the answer. There's no C that works, so there's no solution, either real or complex. All right, so that's the end of that problem.